Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Speccy on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come up here into the search option and then simply search for Speccy download. Click enter, and then you can simply click on Speccy download into the source forge. Click on that, click on download, and you can see your download will start shortly. Now you can click on download. Now as you can see that your download is completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and now you can simply close all of your background tab, minimize all of it, click on install, and now as you can see your Speccy is rightly installed. Now if you can run Speccy, here it is. So now you can simply see here is your Speccy is rightly opened in your computer. You can simply get all of your information from here. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Speccy in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.